Okay, for examples 1 through 8, we've done things where we converted between atoms, molecules, formulas, or particles to moles and vice versa. We've also converted between moles and grams or grams to moles, and we've gone from grams to atoms, molecules, formulas, or particles. Now we're going to look at this last conversion factor we have here. 1 mole equals 22.4 liters of any gas at STP. So any gas at STP is equal to 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters. So example 9 has us going from milliliters to moles. So we're going to start like always with a grid. We're going to put the number, unit, and formula in the top box. That means that we have to have the same unit and formula in the bottom box, and we need milliliters to go to moles. So in order to get to milliliters, we have to go through liters first. So we're going to use the fact that we're going to get to liters, and to get to liters, we got to get to milliliters first. So we're going to use the fact that we know 1,000 milliliters equals a liter, and then we know for every 22.4 liters, there's 1 mole. So we were able to go from volume to moles. Now, if we cancel units, we always want to make sure by canceling units that we have what we want. So here, milliliters cancel with milliliters, liters cancel with liters, leaving us moles left. Now we're going to multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom, and divide the two numbers. And we get this value here with sig figs. Now, if we're not doing sig figs this year, some years we will, some years we haven't. If we're not doing sig figs this year, just get your answer as close as you can to mine. Okay, looking at example 10. So this time in example 10, we're going to start with the the moles in chemical formula. So already put that there first. Then we know we got to get rid of moles. So we can say 1 mole, where we're going is volume, liters. So we want to use our volume conversion. We know that 1 mole equals 22.4 liters. Using the other units would not get us to volume. And then units can cancel. And then we're going to multiply across the top and bottom and get this value here. 67.60. Again, technically, actually, with sig figs, this would be 67.6. Same thing for the last problem, but we won't worry about sig figs on that right now. Okay, pick one of your favorites of these 4 and try the problem on your worksheet, or a notebook paper if you do not have a worksheet. The answers this time are at the end instead of on the next slide, so see if you can get these answers as you work through them. Make sure you show your work, units, chemical formulas, numbers, everything necessary as I've been modeling in the notes. Okay, now try to get this one. Pick up whatever your favorite of these 4, your most favorite of these 4, and you're trying to get the answers in parentheses. Again, the answers in parentheses are what you're looking for. Some of you may need to lock your calculator in science mode to get the same number as me, or move your decimal this many times, 4 to the right, 5 to the right, 4 to the right, 4 to the right, to check your answers.